qualify for the new student loan forgiveness program passed by President Biden, let's take a closer look at the qualifications and what your next steps may be. Those that qualify are individuals making $125,000 or less and married couples making $250,000 or less per year. If you receive the Pell Grant, you may be eligible for up to $20,000. Parent Plus loans also qualify. These are going to be loans that were taken out by the parent on behalf of their child. Parents that took out loans after June 30th, 2022 are not going to qualify. Undergraduate student loans are now going to be capped at 5% instead of 10% of your monthly income. Also note that the student loan payment pause has been extended to December 31st of 2022. A few next steps for you to consider. You will likely need to apply for the student loan forgiveness. The government and the Department of Education will be releasing additional information about when the application will be released and how to apply in the coming weeks. See the description on the official student aid site. As a side note, always be careful with your personal information. If you're unsure, if you feel that somebody's contacted you and it may be a scam, stop. Find a staff member at your college and ask for help. Review your student loan. Educate yourself on the type of loan that you have, the remaining balance that's due, and the interest rate. This will help prepare you to know if you qualify for the student loan forgiveness and how much of a remaining balance left over you're going to have to pay. Review your monthly income and see how much you would be paying at that new 5% rate. You may also need to take a closer look at your budget and see what adjustments will need to be made so that the payment feels more manageable. It may be helpful to start setting some money aside for your monthly loan payments now. Put it in a separate account so that you can't spend it on other items. That way, when the pause has expired, you will already have some money that you can use towards making those payments. Student loans can be very costly and stressful. Ask yourself this: what steps can I take to make paying off my student loans easier? Please reach out to me directly and let me know if you have any additional tips or topics that you would like me to cover. Please take a moment and hit the like and follow button. And as always, thank you for watching.